Imagine you're at the office or heading home from college, and suddenly a finance or analytics question comes to mind. Searching online often gives mixed answers, and mentors aren't always available when you need them. That's where CFI AI Coach, powered by CFI Education, comes in. When you open the platform, you'll see an Ask AI option at the bottom center of the screen. Simply click on it and ask your question. You can type your question, or even ask it using voice. Just speak naturally. The AI coach instantly provides clear, structured, and professional explanations with the option to ask follow-up questions anytime. You can ask questions like, what is adjusted EBITDA? What is deferred tax liability? Explain how to value a company. This tool is perfect for finance students such as CA, CFA, MBA, BCom, and BBA. For CFA preparation and mock practice, for data analytics learners using Power BI, Python, and SQL, and for interview preparation in finance and analytics. No matter where you are, your coach is always available. So next time you have a finance or analytics doubt, don't search endlessly. Open CFI AI Coach. Link is in the description.